Hello and welcome to FullStellar. This is your 7th HTML tutorial and I'm Flakes. We're going to talk about divs, IDs, and cascading style sheet, aka CSS. Um, first I'm going to talk to you about a div. So a div is basically a block inside your website which you can manipulate to go to a certain area and be a certain width, and it has different styles than an other div. So if you have two divs with ID, which we are also going to talk about, or classes, it's almost the same. On one can't be can only be used once, and one can only be used twice. I thought the class was the one that can only be used once, but yeah, let's just figure that out first. So what you're first going to do is open a div tag, just like that, and give it the ID wrapper. It's mostly the wrapper that's around your website, and we just close that for now, and we close that here. What you're going to do is you open a paragraph and you start just smashing things up there. So let's think how we're going to do this. Hello text here. So we have a paragraph tag in it. Now we're going to enter this one out and put a heading tag there too. So welcome. Let's not type that wrong. Sorry. I got a bit of a cold yesterday because I was all out dancing my ass off. Oh, I've never danced my ass off. I'm a nerd. I'm still in my room for like 6 days straight. Anyway, yeah, let's just start with that. So we have a div called I with the ID wrapper, and we close that here. We both also have all these tags. So what we're basically going to do is make a new file and give that the syntax is, let's see, I forgot what it was. Wow, language, that's it. Give it the language CSS. So basically what we're going to do is first we're going to open the body tag. You can manipulate the full body here, and it's almost the same as any other object oriented coding language, because you always open it with a swirly bracket. So first we're going to do is set the background, and we're going to set that with let's see, hashtag 00000. Okay, it's our background will always be black. We will set our font color, which is only the word color, to, let's see, white, because that's pretty damn easy. It could, I don't want to save yet. This can also be done like this if you want to ease it up, but if you want piss off, if you want to have it easier or even better with it, you can put it like that. Okay, so, and of course font family will be, let me think, Arial, Verdana, and Helvetica. And we close that off. Every part of a CSS line needs to be closed off with this semicolon, else it won't know it's the end of the line, and it will just read on and read on and read on and read on and just mess everything up. Just the same if we don't close this off, we just read all the things next to each other. Now we're going to set the font size, and it will be 14 pixels, and we don't want to save yet. So if we've done that, we have this div. It's called wrapper. So we put that here and call it wrapper. Hopefully, I think it's the hashtag for the ID or the dot. I'm not sure if it's the dot. So we will figure that out in a few moments. I'm not quite sure. We just try and try and try. I knew this like 15 minutes ago, but I just black out. So yeah, what we're going to do is we have this, and we need to set the width um, for the div. So what we're going to do is the width. We open that and we say 400 pixels. Not too shabby, not too big, and we set the height to, let's say, 300 pixels. Let's see, something's, oh yeah, we can't actually see a div, so we can see the text that's inside of it, but we can't see any other thing based on that. So what we're going to do is we're going to set a border here, a border style, and we set a solid. Now we set a border width, and we set it on 2 pixels, so we can actually see this. So we also set a heading and a paragraph. So if you do that, you need to do wrapper, and you set h1 for the header, so it knows, oh, you're not going to manipulate the header. And what we're going to do is this font family of the header to Helvetica to actually see a change in there. Oh, need to capitalize this. And font size will be larger than 14, and it will be 18 pixels. And you see I did something wrong there, I just forgot that colon there. And yeah, that's basically it. So if you save this, and now comes the cool part, you actually need to link this up to anything, and I always forget this link. So you can actually get this on like any kind of web page. So styling links, so let's see, I think it was that. No, it's not that. So just look that up, linking CSS to HTML, pretty easy. There we go. Here, this is basically the easiest part that is needed. We don't actually need this media part here. So going to your HTML file, and you just go into your header and put this in. So you see everything is right instead of this. This needs to go away, and you need to always close that like that. Also, it will work, but and also get rid of this, of course. Also, this small. Thought it need to be that. No, it doesn't need to be that. Could be need to be that, but I think it's right. Oh, not at the moment, so because it's gone orange. So what we've done here is we need to go into our. You see that this is actually now called new. I save it for new to CSS. If, oh crap, I opened it. That wasn't really. Oh no, no Aptana, no Aptana sucks. No, go away. Anyway, so let's just let that start up, and let's forgive our own mistakes. Let's see how far I am. I'm on 8 minutes. Okay. Just call this style.css. That's mostly the most known to man. So let's open this, and you see this is actually worked. So ID is a hashtag. You see that our this 18 is Helvetica and this is 14 is Arial. And you see that my Aptana just started. Push off, Aptana. Go away. Go away. Good. So you see that this is actually working now, and you see that the width is actually pretty good, but it's a square, so that's weird. That actually just has to do with your screen method. So if you have a bigger screen, it looks less like a square. But if we if you like make this small, yes, we don't want to have this anymore. And what the hell is this? Oh yeah, okay. So let's just drag ours into this, or just say right click, open with text editor. We actually small this up. Oh, I put this on 300. I want to put this on 200. And you small this up. See, it just directly skips onto that. This is how you can manipulate your HTML tags with any kinds of things, and it's actually pretty fun to do because you can base your whole thing with that. So if we have this, reckon this, I'm going to I just thought you a bit of CSS and just how you can manipulate that. There are a lot of IDs and things that you can use to actually manipulate the markup inside of your website. And I'm going to teach you in the next tutorial how to basically create a full website with everything on it. We're just going to do that step by step, 15 minutes in, 15 minutes in, 15 minutes in, so you can actually learn it. So let's see how far we are. We're on 10 minutes, and I'm going to stop it here. So I hope you enjoyed and learned something of it, and I hope you're thrilled, just like me, to actually make it a full-grown website in the next few tutorials. And I think it's going to be hard on us, but this will actually just work. And if you have questions, I will just easily answer those on my email. And please don't hesitate to email me because I'm a helpful person, else I wouldn't make these tutorials. So yeah, see you later to the next time, and subscribe, like, comment, anything. All of you guys. Bye.